We just finished unboxing a huge care package from Cure SMA for this girl, March Lucille. She got this because she was diagnosed with SMA before she was even born. We were familiar with Cure SMA because of our son Graham, who passed away from this disease in 2016, and they sent him a similar care package. Take a look as my big girls help their little sister unbox her massive care package from Cure SMA, and we cannot thank the organization enough and everybody who donates to Cure SMA. It's such an incredible organization. We love everything they're doing, and this care package is so thoughtful and so kind, and we can never thank you enough. All right, this is the Cure SMA care package that came for March. Hogan and Pippa have decided to unbox it for us, and a little surprise, they've already opened a few of the things. So if it looks opened, it's because Hogan and Pippa couldn't wait to get in it. All right, are y'all ready to open it up and show March what else you got? Okay, let's see, what all came in the care package?
Oh, there's a purple thing. So, there's a little kinetic sand kit right here.
Okay, show it to me.
And it comes with some things, I think. A waffle maker, a little ice cream cup, this, and a little ice cream scoop, and a little cup, and a little spoon.
So a lot of the things that Cure SMA sends
and some little thingies
are good for sensory play and things that are lighter and easy to play with in case kids don't have their strength.
And there's a little kitchen set with the sweets, and I need to get
Okay, Hogan, what do you have?
This is a sink. It doesn't act. We haven't figured out, because it can go in real water. This has something that you can squirt out water with, but we haven't figured out how to use that.
Okay, so it's like a little sink you can play with. And then Pippa, what was this thing you pulled out? Show me. I didn't see this.
So,
take the lid
this
off.
is a little kitchen set. It has a cake, and I think these are, that's a...
You want to see if Marchie wants to play with any of it?
I'm gonna play with some of
You have
it.
ice cream, March?
This is a cupcake. Oh, she's grabbing the cupcake. Now, oh, sorry, here you go. And here's little piece.
Pippa, Hogan, hold up that thing you just got out. Hogan, you got to show me that
Here's
thing
a
you just got
little
out.
windmill.
That's a pinwheel. So this was one of Graham's favorite things when he got a care package from Cure SMA. This is one of the few things that was light enough that he could pick up and hold. So Graham liked having his pinwheel. So I love that March gets a pinwheel like Graham got one. And then what was this thing you got out,
I
Pippa?
have no idea why this. Maybe
Hold it
this
up.
is wet.
I do not know what this is, but it's something weird.
Okay, it's something weird. It's a blanket. It's a silk security blanket. So it's like a little
blanket.
levy.
It's so fuzzy.
Yeah, that's a good. You can tell that Cure SMA's color is purple. Okay, Pippa, that was folded up so you could see the logo. Can you find what it says on it on the blanket? There it is, a Cure SMA blanket. Thank you, Cure SMA.
I'm not sure because if I poke it, if like I squish it, it's gonna stay that way.
Yes.
Why?
Can you open it? I think it's a pillow.
Yeah. There's slime in here, I think. There's definitely something in here that we can play with.
No, this is a positioning pillow. This is not a toy.
I know. But it feels like something that, like slime.
Okay, you pulled something out you didn't show me there, Hogan. Bath toys?
Here's some bath toys that we can also put in here. What? It's
Yep, hold on. So the bath toys are good because even if they just got it all wet, but even if you don't want to play with them in the bath, they're very light, something they can move
Okay,
around.
let's put some finger puppets.
Okay, well, are you holding it right side up or no? Okay, that makes it easier to read it. So it's a stand up and draw. So this is something that chalk goes in it at the bottom, and you can move it around.
Finger puppets.
So even if March is playing with it in like her chair or something, she would be able to use the chalk, and she wouldn't have to be like bending down on the ground.
Like this.
So, yep.
And here's some little things that went with this.
Okay. Yep, because y'all had already pulled all that out.
And this should make some noise.
Finger puppets. Pippa just showed me. Somehow everything in this box got wet. So
Whatever this is.
finger puppets. Those are okay. Whoop. Okay, this is really cool. Can you open this up and show us?
Oh,
This is a sheepskin.
Good.
Okay, show me the bubble wand while Hogan opens that.
I think it makes some noise.
Oh yeah, so it's a little bubble scepter.
Yeah.
That'll be fun. March will love that. She's
Oh my gosh,
really
I'm
enjoying
so
this.
opening this.
So the sheepskin is something if they're sitting a lot or if they're laying a lot, they lay on it and it helps them to not get uncomfortable or heaven forbid get a sore. So this was very great for Graham. He had a wagon they got him, and we were able to put this in the wagon, and he was able to lay on it.
And it's so soft.
Tell me how soft it is.
It's super soft, and I bet Marge will love it.
You think so? You want to let her touch it?
What, you gonna touch it? You gonna touch it? What, you touch it? Then oh,
You like it, Marge? It's so soft.
I have something.
Okay, Hogan, what do you have? Oh, more bath toys. These are another easy, light thing to pick up and play with.
Can I show now?
Yes. Ooh, look
And
at
this
this.
is a very soft dog, softer than that. And
Peppa loves a plushie.
Okay, so this, it has a turtle, clownfish, pufferfish. Not sure if you can see, but there's a jellyfish right there. A little whale, a blue whale, a crab. That's so cute. Did you know some penguins actually go beyond the beach?
They do?
Right here.
I think
So
that's a
that's
quilt
why-
that somebody made. Isn't that pretty?
Here's a quilt that.
Y'all want to stand and show it to us?
Wow.
Ooh, the rainbow back. Y'all love rainbow.
And on the other side, there's something else.
Okay, it has a tag on it. Let's read it.
Give me.
Let me see it. Let me read the tag, please.
I want to see.
It's over here. The tag says, this quilt was made in honor of our granddaughter, Ottilia, who was diagnosed with SMA. I hope I said that right. Ottilia. I love that. Thank you so much to whoever made this. This is so kind. And these kind of gifts are so meaningful. Is there anything else? Do we empty the box?
There's still some more things. And there's some more kinetic sand that's very heavy. It's really heavy.
Kinetic sand.
So glad I got
Not letting these big girls play with this kinetic sand is going to be crazy. I'm trying to tell them
we have the same
this is
puzzle.
March's. Yep, you have that puzzle already.
Yeah, but
And we already have this puzzle, but that's okay. I don't think.
Okay,
we
show
know
it to us.
It's an ABC.
All right, is there anything else? Are you done?
Yes,
Hogan?
there's still some more things.
Hogan, are you going to show us some more stuff?
Yes.
Okay, baby,
This-
please don't break that open, okay?
This is a little knee pad for mom and dad.
For when we're giving her a bath, right?
Yeah, and
So since it's a little more interactive, giving a kid with SMA a bath, a nice kneeling pad.
Hey, Dr. Little
Yep, a
Stethoscope.
doctor kit that already got opened by somebody somehow.
By us.
Yes, by
And a
you.
little bracelet.
Oh, what is the bracelet? I bet it says Cure SMA.
And here's another one.
Some Cure SMA bracelets.
Here's and I think there's
A magnadoodle. Oh, I love that flag, and Marchie loves it too. Yeah. Okay, pull it up. Can you hand it to Marchie? We have pictures of Graham holding that flag. So I'm glad that stuck around as well.
And here's a little ball. I think we already have this.
Yes,
We have a
do.
ball like that.
Yeah, but it has a little bell in it.
Has a bell in it. That's cool. Okay, put it down. What else? Is there more stuff?
Yes.
Wow, it just keeps coming, huh, March?
Here's a little sticker pad and a
Come over here and show it to me.
It's the drawing pad.
Oh,
And
yeah?
it also has some stickers. And here's a sports sticker pad. And it also has, dinosaur.
Nice.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
And I do not know what this is.
That is a binder with lots of different information about SMA. It's going to be very boring for you, but helpful for mom and
Very fun
daddy.
for mom and dad.
A lot of information about SMA.
Squish, squish, squish.
So there's a Paw Patrol balloon in there.
There's a couple more things.
Yes.
A little doctor's kit, which much,
Model magic.
Can it dry out?
I don't know.
and 2 more bracelets. I guess these are for
Lots
me.
of bracelets. Y'all can each have a bracelet.
And markers. And a little book. I don't know what's
What's
called.
the book?
I don't know.
Hold it up. I can read it. Hold it up. There you go. Great and small. Oh, yep. Markers to draw on her pad.
There's some Play-Doh.
Oh, yep. All the colors.
Yeah, and there's also a thing. This is also, I think, a thing that you can make. It is a birthday cake.
So you can see things that kids with SMA can pick up, like the flag.
And
They really love to play with.
Here's a little scooter that we can push babies around it. Once you loves it, it can go high and low.
Yep. Is that everything in the box, Pippa?
Yes.
Okay.
It can go high.
And so this Firefly scooter that Pippa's playing with right now, this is from the SMA loan program. So these can be pretty expensive, but Cure SMA keeps a kind of a library, not really a library, keeps a store of those type of things. Okay. So they can loan them out, and then when Marsh is too big for it or she's done with it, we can send it back and another kid will be able to use it. So very cool, very nice. Let's gather everything from this care package, put it together to take a picture with March.
Thanks, Cure SMA.
Thanks, Cure SMA. What do you say, March?
Thank you. I love this ice cream because it's so fun to play with. I really fun though.
For real. Thank you so much. We love this, and it is so kind.